Will, I'm sorry.
Fred, ain't nothing. She don't like it much, does she? You riding off with me.
Sally?
Give me the evil eye.
Well, you know, Sally's a doing. Means that they go friend, Will.
Never mind. I ain't gonna hold it against her. She knew me back then. She knew. No good son of a bitch I was. She just ain't allowing it to change. She don't realize I ain't like that no more.
Well, you know,
I
Will.
ain't the same, Ned. Claudia, she straightened me up. Cleared me of drinking whiskey and all. Just because we're going on this killing, that don't mean I'm gonna go back to being the way I was. Just need the money.